Hi everyone, it's Megan with Teach Me ABA, powered by Pyles and Associates. Today, we're going to continue talking about applying experimental designs to your goals. We'll discuss one of my favorite experimental designs, multiple baseline. These are super useful, and I use this in my thesis project in grad school, so maybe I'm biased. As we discussed in our last video in this series, experimental designs are great at helping you make sure that the intervention that you're implementing is actually what's leading to the change in your behavior. For a multiple baseline design, this is really helpful with goals because you can track your progress across different contexts. For example, if you want to eliminate junk food from your diet, you can eliminate one at a time using a multiple baseline design. The way that you would do this is by initially collecting baseline data on how much you eat one specific food. Maybe the first food you want to cut out is bacon. What you would do is start off collecting data on how often or how much bacon you eat right now. Once you see some consistency in your data, you would want to implement your intervention. After you see that your intervention is effective, that you're not eating bacon anymore, or that you're below a certain threshold, then you can implement the multiple baseline design on your next food. To ensure that your intervention is actually what's creating this change in behavior, you would want to run your baseline a little longer for this next food. Running the baseline longer controls for a lot of different effects. Perhaps the passage of time leads to you eating less food. Maybe it's becoming winter, so you would be eating ice cream less anyways. Maybe for bacon, you took data on 3 weeks of bacon eating. For ice cream, you can take data on 6 weeks maybe. Then, once you see consistency in that data, implement your intervention for this food. You can keep going until you knock out all of those junk foods that you don't want to eat anymore. I also know somebody that did this to quit smoking. They eliminated different locations where they would smoke. So first they said, I won't smoke at home anymore. Then, I won't smoke in my car anymore. Then, I won't smoke at campus anymore. And eventually, they were a non-smoker. Do you have any goals where you think a multiple baseline would help you reach your goal? If so, leave a comment and let us know about it. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for tuning in.